Hello guys, my name is Abel Wealth. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video where I showed you how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. I showed you how to edit videos, assuming you made mistake and you want to go back and edit those mistakes. I show you how to do that using the YouTube Studio app. In this video, I'm going to show you reasons why the videos you uploaded are not showing on your homepage. Now, there are so many reasons why this is happening. If you're having this challenge, and in this video we're going to dissect it. We're going to show you the reasons why your videos are not showing on your homepage. Now, before we move ahead, it's important to know that for this to work for you, you have to be using the YouTube web version, not the mobile version. It has to be a web version. So I'm going to show you how to switch from the mobile version to your web version on your phone, so you can make these changes and have your video show on your homepage. So without wasting time, let's head over to my screen and get started. Next thing we want to do is to switch to the web version of YouTube, because just like I said, the mobile version will not work. So do not use the mobile version. So let's head over to our settings and apps. So locate your settings on your phone, then go to where it says apps. Where is it? Okay, app management. Hit on app management, then app list. This will show you the list of all the mobile app you have on your phone. So we'll go over to YouTube. We want to disable the YouTube app because we want to use the web version. So once you head here, you head to YouTube, then where it says disable, you click on disable. Don't worry, it's just for the purpose of these settings we want to do. So we have to disable the app. Then once we disable the app, you can go, once you're done, you can go over and enable it, but for now you disable it. So once we disable the app, we'll go to any browser on your phone. I'm using Chrome, so you go to your Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using. You see these three dots at the top head. No, let's search for YouTube first. You first search for YouTube. Okay, so this is the YouTube. So now you head over to this place that has three dots at the top right corner and click on it. Then select desktop sites. Okay, you can see that it has turned our phone into desktop. Let's zoom in. So you go over here and click on the YouTube. Okay, it is now taking you to the YouTube web version. So this is how it looks in the web version of YouTube. So from here we can now do whatever setting we want to do. You can see this is my channel. But this is like a web version. This is how you see it on your computer. So after doing this, let's move ahead with the video, so I can show you how you can make some changes and have your video show on your home page. So in my case, I'm using a computer, but in your case, if you're able to switch it to this web version, you're able to switch it to this desktop version on your phone, it will work the same way. So let's get into the next phase of the video. Okay guys, there are a couple of reasons why your video is not showing on your home page when you upload it. So we're going to be looking at some of the reasons why your video might not be showing on your home page after you've uploaded them. So the first thing we want to do, we want to verify if we are actually on the channel that the video was uploaded to. So you do that by going to this icon. You click on this icon, then you go to where it says switch account. So once you click on switch account, make sure that you selected the account that the video was uploaded to. In case you have multiple accounts, it's possible that you uploaded the video to another account, like a different account. So make sure that you select the account that the video was uploaded to, or the account you want the video to be uploaded to. It's very important. If you select a second account or another account, it might be uploaded to a different account and you will not even know. So make sure that this is selected. Then after doing that, let's go to a YouTube studio and do some customization. So we go back to this very icon again, we click on the icon, then we go to YouTube Studio. Okay, welcome to YouTube Studio. Okay, so while in YouTube Studio, make sure that the videos that you uploaded were set to public. It is very important. I tweeted this on one of my videos. So once we are here in the YouTube Studio, we go to content, then we go over, then select the videos that are not showing, and once you select it, you go to edit on the video and set it to public. Come over here and make sure that it's public. Don't put it in private. If you put it on private, it will not show on your timeline. If you put it on unlisted, it will not show. Make sure you select public. Put the video to public. Okay. Okay, so let's move ahead. Then the next thing we want to do is to set up your home page, the home page of your channel, to show your video. So how do we do that? We head over to customization. Let's go back. On the YouTube Studio, we head over to customization. And once we select customization, we head over to where it says featured video. Featured video. You come over here and you click on, no, not there. You head over to where it says featured sections. You come over here and add section. Then in your case, you select videos, right? Or you can select popular videos. Let's go with popular videos. Popular videos. Yeah. So once we select videos, you can see it's already selected videos. Sometimes it might not be selected, and let me remove this. Let me remove some of this section. Okay. So sometimes it might just show shorts as your featured section on your channel. So you want to make sure that you add videos, uploaded videos, to your featured section in your home page. So you come over here and click on add section. You can see videos. Make sure that you select videos. Go ahead and hit it. Then you drag the videos on top of the shorts. Make sure that the videos are the first thing people see, not your shorts. Then once you do that, you can go ahead and hit the publish icon. Aside from that, you can also add playlist to your home page. Assuming you do videos about you have different sections in your video. You do video about let's say you're into tech. You do video about mobile apps. You do video about softwares. You do video about phones. You can add playlists to your videos. You can add a playlist to your channel and group these videos according to what they are. Let's say you do videos about phones, you review phones. You can have a section, a playlist for phones. So you can also add this playlist to your home page, so that once people come, they can be able to navigate to the parts, to the section they want to watch in your video. They can navigate to the playlist they want. You understand? So to do that, you go back to this add section again. You can see single playlist, created playlists, multiple playlists, and all what you have. You can even add popular videos to your home page. Hope that is straightforward and self-explanatory. So once this is done, you go ahead and hit the publish, and once you go to your channel, the home page of your channel, let's go and see. Let me click on the channel. You can see that my picture, my video, the video I uploaded is showing on this home page. Is the first thing you see before you see the shorts. once I did that, once we finish doing the customization, you can see that the video is showing here while the short is below. If I added other things, you also see it in this home page. So it's important you customize this featured section in your YouTube studio. Then, as we begin to round up this video, it's important for us to understand that YouTube also has the right to remove your video if you violate their policies. YouTube have policies, so if you violate YouTube's policy, they have the right to remove your video, which means your video will no longer be available on the home screen of your channel. Also, YouTube can restrict your video. They can limit your video. They can block your video if your video has some copyright issue. So don't go and copy another person's video. Don't go and download another person's video and upload to your channel without taking permission from them, without having a copyright for you to use those videos, because YouTube can penalize you. They can limit your video. Your video will not be showing to some regions. They can block your video. They can even give you a strike on your channel. So with that being said, I hope you were able to understand how to customize your video, how to make it show on your homepage. If you have other concerns or your video is still not showing on your homepage, please drop a comment. Do not forget to follow this channel and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if it was useful to you. So I'll see you in the next one.